welcome back. In this video, we'll talk about the budget creation and a couple of. I hope, okay, before that, I hope everybody watched the previous session, which was setting up the AWS account and the multi-factor authentication. So please do that. Then you come to this session. So this session is all about the AWS budget. So what is the billing and what is the budget? We will just go through briefly, not completely. So let's go ahead and jump in. Uh, for that, you have to go to this aws.amazon.com. So once you log in, then you have to click on sign into the console. So whatever user ID you have signed up, just log in with that. Now I have already logged in, so I got my ID. So this is the, this is the look and feel of the console here. I will talk about the rest of the services and the UI and the exploration in the next couple of videos. But for now, in this video, we are going mainly to set up the billing. Okay, so as you know, monthly, we will get a billing from the AWS, okay, for whatever services you're using. Now, the concept here is if you Google AWS space free tier, so there is okay, so here we go, aws.com. So click on the second link. So aws.com/free. Now, so every cloud provider will provide you a lot of services, and few services would be lifetime free, and few services would be 12 months free, and few services you can use it only for free, some trial versions. So likewise, AWS is having three categories. One is free trials. Okay, it's just having a definition. Short-term free trial offers start from the date you activate a particular service. 12 months free. Enjoy these offers 12 months following by your initial sign up today AWS, and always free. So these free tier offers do not expire and are available to all AWS customers. Now, if you scroll down here, these are all the major services categories in high level: compute, database, storage, containers, web and mobile apps, serverless, and machine learning. Now, if you scroll down a little bit on the left side, you have tier type, okay, and then product categories. So now if you click on tier type, you have future, 12 months free, always free, and trials. Okay, now let's do always free. If you click on always free, yeah, these whatever services have come up right now, these things are always free for you. Okay, now if you say 12 months free, yeah, so for example, Amazon EC2 750 hours reset it, so 750 hours per month of Linux, RHEL, or SUSE Linux, T2.micro, T3.micro, it's depend on the region. So 750 hours per month of Windows T2.micro or T3.micro instance dependent on region. Yes, so 750 hours means if you open the calculator, so 24 hours into what, 30 days, obviously it comes to 720 hours for only. So it will never expand, I mean, extend, it will never cross the 750 hours per month, you know. So 750 hours per month, but the catch is you have to use only the T2.micro or T3.micro. You should not use any other instance type. That is one thing. So likewise, we have various services. Amazon S3 we have, Audius we have. So you can just browse through. I would really urge you to go through all these things one by one. Okay. Now, if you click on trials, so trials also we have a couple of things. Okay. So this is a free tier. Now always we have to set up the billing alarm. That's what I'm trying to explain you in this video. Now, how do you do that? I'm closing this tab, going back to my console, and this is a console. And I will explain you about this. What is a console? Where is it? What in the next couple of videos. But for now, just click on your user ID on the top right and click on billing dashboard. When you click on billing dashboard, it will tell you billing dashboard itself, big topics. I will get through when I'm covering the billing concept. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, so now click on billing dashboard. Okay, when you click on the billing dashboard, well, just briefly, what this happens is the AWS billing dashboard will tell you what was the previous billing happened for you, and what is the current billing, and what is the forecast billing. Since this is a new account, you will also see just like what I'm seeing on my screen. Yeah. So here, the first one is the billing dashboard, and if you click on the bills on the left side, okay, so here you will see the same thing, July and August. Nothing would be there because this is a brand new account, and there is something called orders and invoices, and then credits. And okay, orders and invoices, it will just tell you what is the invoice created and what is the billing, etc., everything. Okay, and there are a lot of options here. Okay, so the first thing what we need to do here is click on the billing preferences on the left side. Yeah, and I want you to check all these check boxes here. Now, what is a checkbox? The first checkbox is receive PDF invoice by email. Now, you need to turn on this feature to receive a PDF version of your invoice by email. Okay, so invoices are generally generated every first of the month, each month. So if you don't check this box, it means that you will not get any emails with your invoice. But if you check this box, yes, monthly you will get an email. Else you have to log in manually, and you need to come here and you need to check, go to the bills, and then you need to check how much bill happened for July, how much bill have occurred for August, something like that. Okay, now go to billing preferences on the left side again, click on receive PDF invoice by email. Now, this is what is the next one? Receive free tier usage alerts. Now, turn on this feature to receive email alerts when your AWS service usage is approaching or has exceeded. So, the AWS free tier usage limits. If you wish to receive these alerts at an email address that is not primary email address, please specify the email address below. Now, if you remember, I was just talking about this AWS free tier, right? Free tier. So, if you go to the second link, so here we have a lot of free tier, right? So for example, 12 months free is there. So there are 750 hours for something, or Amazon S3 5 GB. In case if you cross 5 GB on Amazon S3, which means eventually it has crossed the free tier. So I want a notification from the AWS that I have crossed the free tier limit on particular service. So for that, I would always enable this. So I'm just enabling this. And the third one is receiving billing alerts. Okay, now just you have to check this as well. Okay, turn on this feature to monitor your AWS usage charges and recurring fees automatically, making it easier to track and manage your spending on AWS. So I would suggest you to put a checkbox on all these things. Okay, that is the first thing. Now the next thing is there is something called budgets on the left side. Yeah, so click on the budgets. Now, what is this budget? You can ask me. So, Samir, budget is nothing but you can set up something like monthly. I want to spend only $10 for this account. So, if you choose $10, then what happens is you can set up an alert system. If it crosses $8 or if it crosses 50% of my $10, then I need to get a notification stating that it is crossing the $5 and it is going to reach $10. So that's what it says. So start tracking your AWS cost and usage. So once you have a budget created, AWS budget allows you to create budgets, forecast spend, and take action on your costs and usage from a single location. Now, click on create a budget. Now here, the first thing is, in order to create a budget, the prerequisite is you have to enable the cost explorer. So just click on enable cost explorer. Just click on launch cost explorer. Okay, the cost explorer is done. Now let's go back to the management console. I mean, billing management console. Okay, just refreshing my screen. Okay, just click on next. Usually it says 24 hours, but it should immediately work. So let me tell you again. I'm just canceling this. Okay. So on the left side, click on budgets. Then you click on create a budget. The first thing is cost budget recommended. Just click on next. So when you click on next, now here it will tell you on the right side, it will say no data because obviously we are doing it for the first time in the new account. Okay. Now, if you scroll down, it just says what is a budget name. So, for example, I'm just giving $10 monthly budget. Okay, you can give any names. Okay, so $10 monthly budget, and then it's going to be monthly for me and recurring budget starting from this month, August, and this is going to be the fixed one. Okay, so I'm going to give $10. So $10 is maximum budget. I'm just fixing it. Okay, now all AWS services, yes. Okay, and then click on next. Now here I want to create an alert. Okay, I want someone to get notified. So what you will do, I'll click on add an alert threshold alert. If my 50 percentage of budgeted amount, my budgeted amount is what? My budgeted amount is $10. So if you go back to my previous screen, my budgeted amount is $10. Okay. So what I'm saying is, so if you scroll down, if 50% of the budgeted amount, which means $5, it's crossed and trigger should be actual, then you have to notify someone. So I want to notify, okay. So scroll down and the next, and then click on next. And then scroll down, click on create budget. Now the budget is created. So see, $10 threshold is okay because it has never crossed $10 yet because we did not uh, did anything on this new account. So this is very, very important. So please do this. Now, I want to show you one more thing. This is a new account, but I do already have another account wherein you can see, I will show you that. I think that will give you more idea about it. So here we go. This is my another account, guys. Okay, which I had created a couple of months back. Now, if you see this, so this is a billing dashboard on the right side, clicked on it. And I have used extensively. A lot of services have been running, and you can see a lot of dollars, value. So if you compare these two things, okay, see on the right side, this is my old account. On the left side, this is my new account on the left side. Okay, so if you click on home, we are on the same page. Yeah, on the left side, if you see AWS billing dashboard, yeah, AWS billing. But here on the right side, you have multiple dollars value, but here I don't have any values. See, so this is how when a bill comes, you will get billing details like this. You know what all the things you've used. Anyways, we will go through one by one deep, but just want to show you this. And also, if you click on budgets on the left side, see the click on the budgets. I had created something earlier and it has already exceeded $10, obviously. See this? It just show you this $10. And also it just says current versus budgeted, forecasted versus budgeted, but here obviously since it is new, I don't get anything here. See, it's going well. So just thought of showing you this. Okay, so thank you for watching this session. So in the next session, we will further explore on a couple of other services. Thank you.